You don't have to be a tech expert to start using ChatGPT in your everyday life. In fact, here are 5 simple tasks it can handle surprisingly well, better than most people expect. First, writing helpful emails. Whether it's rescheduling a meeting, following up with a client, or even responding to a tricky message, ChatGPT can draft a clear, kind, and professional note in seconds. You just tell it the situation, and it gives you a starting point. Second, summarizing long content. Drop in a long article, podcast transcript, or meeting notes, and ask for a quick summary. It will pull out the key points, so you can spend less time reading and more time doing. Third, planning your week. You can say something like, I work Monday through Friday. I want to go to the gym twice, eat healthy dinners, and block time to write. Help me plan my week. ChatGPT will create a simple, balanced plan tailored to your input. Fourth, brainstorming names, titles, or themes. Need a name for your new course? A title for a blog post? A theme for an event? Give ChatGPT a few keywords or the audience you're targeting, and it'll give you a dozen creative ideas to work from. And fifth, rewriting anything to sound better. Paste in your own writing and say, make this sound more confident, or make this clearer for a 9th grade reader. The results are instant, and you stay in control. None of these require coding, no fancy tools, just one place to start. Clear input and a few seconds of curiosity. Try one of these 5 today and see how much time and stress you can save. And if you like these kinds of video, give us a like and follow for more.